Unit 3-4 review sheet number 9. We need to identify the terminal side quadrant of the angle 5.4. There's no degree sign, so that is in radians. So radians, remember, means the radius. So the length of one radius wrapped around that circle, I should do a different color. So every time I take that radius and wrap it around the circle, there's one radius, so that's 1 radian, and 2 radians, and 3 radians, remember, and then we have pi radians when we get to right there. 4 radians, 5 radians, and 6 radians, or 6 radians is right about there, and then 6.28 or 2 pi radians there. So I can see if this 2 pi is about 6.28, pi is about 3.14, and that's the number of radians in that position. So this angle is about 3.14. This whole circle angle is about 6.28. 5 somewhere between 3.14 and 6.28. So it's either quadrant 3 or 4. So the question is, if it, what's this angle, to see if 5.4 is greater or less than it. So to find that angle, I want that halfway point between 6.28 and 3.14. So I can find that by taking the average. Which gives me, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9.52 divided by 2. Adding those two together, and then taking half of 9.52. So half of 9 is 4.5. And then half of 0.52 is 0.26. So that gives me 4.71 for this point when I add those together. So 5.4 is greater than 4.71. So 5.4 must be around here. So 5 is about here. It's about here, about 5.4. So this angle is about 5.4 radians. Ouch. In other words, the number of radiuses that can wrap around the circle up to this point is 5.4. So that means we're in quadrant 4. Final answer, quadrant